Hello, folks. Welcome to the new episode of Sci-Nib channel. Biometrics has become a part of our daily life, from unlocking our phones to international travel. Fingerprint is one of the most common form of biometrics. Have you ever wondered what these fingerprints are and why they are so unique? Let's check the answer in this episode. Everyone on this planet has a distinct fingerprint pattern. Identical twins will in fact have unique fingerprints. Each individual has a unique fingerprint on each of their fingers. There are various patterns on fingerprints such as loops, whorls, and arches. Loop starts on one side of the finger, curve around, and end on the opposite side. It is a common fingerprint pattern. Whorls are a type of spiral pattern. Arches is one of the rarest patterns. It has the ridges that rise and then fall on the other side of the finger. Every individual begins to develop a fingerprint pattern around 12 weeks in the mother's womb. By the 19th week of gestation, a child's fingerprint pattern will be complete and will remain the same for the rest of its life. The fingerprint pattern is influenced by several factors, including the fetus position, movement, and the density of the amniotic fluid in which they are developing. The genetic influence that drives this process remains a mystery. Fingerprints begin to form in week 12 of gestation when some cells in skin middle layer known as basal layer begin to grow faster than cells in inner and outer layer of the skin. These extra cells cause the skin to expand and fold, forming ridges. This results in the formation of a complete fingerprint pattern by the end of the 19th week of gestation. According to a recent study, three proteins regulate the formation of fingerprint pattern. The earliest evidence of fingerprint use dates back to 1000 BC. The Chinese used it to identify their children. Furthermore, it was used by China, Babylon, and Persia to record the commercial transactions. In the 16th century, an Italian professor named Marcello identified the fingerprint pattern, which includes arches, loops, whorls, and ridges. Fingerprint was first used to solve a crime in 1892 when Argentina police identified the murderer using the fingerprint on the doorframe. Later, the use spread to India, England, and Paris. Following the success in other places, America began use fingerprint for investigation in 1903. Fingerprints are also used to recruit individuals for the military purpose. Beside fingerprints, we have various biometrics that are unique to each individual. For example, each person has a unique tongue pattern. There are more ridges and bumps on our tongue, each with over 10,000 taste buds. The other biometrics includes voice, ear, and teeth pattern. Eye scans have recently gained popularity due to their accuracy. The iris, the colored area of our eye, contains over 200 distinct features. Scientists are developing technology to enhance the identification process. However, DNA is the current gold standard method in the forensic for identifying the murderer. Each person has a unique DNA that may be shed at the crime scene in the form of hair, blood, skin, and other body fluids. In the future, every aspect of daily life, including opening doors, will be managed by unique biometric for authentication. Are you aware that we have a toe print pattern? Do you know that toe print was once used to solve a crime? Hope this week's video helped you to gain knowledge on how fingerprints are formed. Subscribe to the channel to extend your support and also let us know your thoughts on the comment section. I will get back to you next week with another scientific story. Until then, bye and take care.